I know what I'm about to show you is going to be very crucial to most of you out there. What is up YouTube, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can backtest your strategy for absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to subscribe to anything. All you have to do is follow what I'm about to show you, and you'll be able to backtest your strategy for free. Right. This platform I'm about to show you guys was nowhere to be found. Like, you can't find it anywhere. There's no channel on YouTube talking about this. There are no blog posts. Like, this platform literally is ghost. Like, people don't know about it. Only God knows where I found this channel from, and I'm so glad to show it to you. So without saying much, let's head right into the chat. Alright guys, so the name of the platform that we are going to be using is gochatting.com. So you go on your search bar, you type gochatting.com like this, and you search. So yes, this is how the home page looks like. When you come to products, once you come on products, once you come on products, you come on chart. Right, so now we are on the charts, right? So you just go ahead to look for the commodity or the currency that you want to trade. I normally trade Euro USD, so I'll type Euro USD. Euro USD like this, and it will pop up. So once Euro USD comes up, let me make my chart a little bit cleaner. So I'll take out this thing. Come here, turn up the volume. Okay, now this is the chart, right? So the backtesting key is here. See this replay bar or this replay button. Once you click on it, oh, I think I need to sign in first. Okay guys, can you give me a minute while I sign in? Okay. Let me just say this. So you can just sign in with your Google account, okay, instead of going all the long way to create a new account. If you are signing into your Google account already on your PC, you can just sign in with your Google account just straight up. Alright. Alright guys, so I'm currently signed in. So now we can go ahead and replay the bar. Okay, so we just click replay, and then let's replay from somewhere here. Okay, double click, and then now here we are. So let's go ahead and do some backtesting. Backtest with me. Let me show you how I do my backtesting. So yes, we click the replay, but first of all you need to check the speed. Okay, so to me I think the speed is good, so yeah, let's go. Okay, so here we can see that market is bullish right now. Right, okay, so now let me explain something to you guys. So you see this thing right here. This particular candle is a very strong bullish candle in my opinion, because market is already bullish, and I can see this move, and I can see this move over here. So let's just see if I can get a buy signal. Okay, yes, you can even see that this candle has been taken out, but let me wait for the next candle to see what it does. Okay, the next candle, okay, maybe doesn't want to go up. Good. So now, good, this price move right here indicates a shift in market structure. Okay, please stay with me. It indicates a shift in market structure. So me knowing this, I'll be looking for buy opportunities. Okay, so I can just put my long over here, just put it right here. I'm hoping that the market doesn't take me out. That's it. Let's go, and I'll be targeting this high. Now let's just see what market does. Oops, you see, takes me out, but it's fine. That's just what trading is about. Let's keep going. Okay, so now we can see that there's this other structure over here. So higher high, high low, high high, but this low is a very important low. So let's just see if market takes out this low. So let me bring my line over here to see if market takes out this low. If market takes out this low, it will confirm a bearish market structure and I'll start looking for sales. So let's go. Okay, now it has broken that low. So once this low is broken, I don't expect any of these highs to be taken out, especially this one or whatever. Let's just see. Okay, I need a little bit pullback. Okay, good. Okay, now this sell candle looks like a very strong sell candle, so I'm going to go ahead and put my short position over here. Okay, and then target this low. Okay, this is just a rough something that I'm showing you guys. Okay, but I'm also learning at the same time, so let's go. Good, very strong sell candles, and now we can see market is pushing down very hardly. Okay, so until my take profit has been met, I'm not getting out to the trade no matter what happens. Good. So now we see this over here, my take profit has been hit, and also this market structure or this particular low has been taken out, indicating that market is still bearish. This particular market structure has been taken out, indicating that market is still bearish. So my next target is here or here. Okay, and let's see what market does. I'm not entering the trade until I see an opportunity. Okay, I want a little bit pullback. Okay, nice pullback. Good. Now this pullback is an indication that markets might want to continue. Let me see. Okay, let's just see what market does. I'm not too convinced, because the reason I'm not too convinced is these candles are way too clean. If market decides to reverse, it's about to clear all these candles out. So let's just see what it does. Okay, now this high over here is a very important high. So once it gets taken out, then that confirms a shift in market structure, and then we are about to be bullish. Then yes, it takes it out, then I think it's doing maybe a double bottom. Let's just look for a strong buy signal, then good. Now this is my indication that market wants to be bullish, so I'm going to take a buy. This is just how I trade. I don't do too much, I just follow market structure, and so I can enter right here, but to get a better entry I can also wait for another candle, but I don't have time. Let's just go. Let me just put my entry over here, and let me put my stop loss over here. Oh man, what is this? Okay, and then where's my take profit? My take profit will be here. Yeah, that looks reasonable. Okay, let's just go. Let's see what happens. You see the strong push, right? So that's just market structure for you. Okay, now our first objective has been met. So now what am I looking for to enter another trade? So since I know we are now bullish, I'm looking for reasons to enter the market. So I can see this structure over here, keeps pushing up, but there's one thing we call a fair value gap. Okay, that is what we see over here. We see this long single candle, and there are no overlapping candles over here. So I expect markets to push back a little bit into this zone for me to take another buy. So let's just see if market does that. If it doesn't, hey, that's just the market. Okay, keeps going up. Okay, now we see a little pullback. Okay, a strong pullback now. I strongly believe it's going to come back to where I was talking about, this zone. Okay, yes, it does. Right. So now market has reached this zone, and I think that I should be expecting a reversal or something. So okay, one bullish candle, two, another one. Okay, oh man, okay, yes, good. So now I see this push. Now I'm confident that market is not going to come back over here, so I can take another buy. I'm just taking 5 trades with you guys so you can, you get the point, right? I just want to take examples for you to see how I backtest. Okay, so put my stop loss over here. My take profit should be here. But matter of fact, let me just target here to see if I can get it. Okay, there we go. There we go. Boom. Take profit hit. So how many trades have we taken? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's left with the last trade. Let's go. Okay. Now I see a reversal. Okay. Let's just wait to see. Okay. Good. So now I want to take my long over here because this candle looks strong enough for me to indicate a strong reversal, a strong bullish reversal. So I'll just put my take profit over here. Okay, let's go. Let's see what market does. Oh, okay, so I think this is where we are currently at. Okay, today's date is Friday. No, sorry, today is 13th, Saturday. So this candle is last Friday, that was 12. So this is where the market has reached so far. So I guess this will be the end of our video. I understand that most of you are now trying to learn how to trade. Most of you are still in the come up, and then most of you still don't have the resources in order for you to be able to do some of these things like subscribe to TradingView, and all that. And also myself, when I was coming up, I was looking for a way out, an alternative to TradingView to be using for my backtesting, because I literally didn't have enough money to purchase, the packages that TradingView had. If you enjoyed it, kindly like this video, as it's going to help with the YouTube algorithm to also suggest this video to other people to also enjoy it just as you did. Also subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified anytime that I drop a video. And last but not least, I want to be getting your comments. I want to interact with you guys. I want to know what you are thinking, and I also want to know what you guys want to see next. Okay, so in case you also have any questions, you can also drop them in the comment section, and I'll be more than glad to answer them for you. So until I see you guys next time, peace out.